Blessings fam, today I am going to show you how I created my own handmade illusion invisible closure. Yes, this invisible illusion closure can be perfect for any sew down hairstyle. Yes, if you are not wanting to use a lace closure or a lace frontal and you just want a more natural illusion look, this is perfect for any style that is a sew down. Yes, so here I'm showing you how I am using my needle and thread, and I am sewing this track of hair around in a circle. I am folding it and winding it into a full circle, and I am just taking the needle and thread and I'm going through the weft. The weft is the top part or the track part of the hair. I'm going through that and I am creating a nice tight sew. Yes, I'm sewing this in. Some people make theirs with glue, but because I am totally against using glue in our hair now, I do not use glue. I take my time and I use my needle and thread. And again, as you can see here, I'm just turning it and winding it into a circle. And as I do each wind, I am going through the weft or the track of the hair, and I'm pulling the needle and thread through to give it a nice firm hold. And this is what you want to do until you get the size that you want to close off. My size is about the size of maybe a nickel, and as you can see here, I just inserted it into that hole that I have here at the top, which again is about the size of a nickel, and I'm just going to sew that down. And once I complete that sew down, this is going to be completely covered. It's going to close off the top of this sew down for me. And again, I am not using any lace with this style. I'm just kind of wanting to take a break from using a lace closure or a lace frontal, and this is the best option. Again, this is going to lay nice and flat. It's going to be invisible in an illusion that there is a closure up here. Again, it is handmade by myself. And look, I'm just going through the top part of the closure that I made, and I'm going through the last track that I sewed on my hair. Again, this is very simple, very easy to do. Again, continue to keep watching the process and you are going to see how this beautiful style came out. Again, continue to keep watching, and I am almost done. This is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Once you lay that closure in there and sew it down, it's going to be nice, flat, flush, and give you a beautiful look, just as I am going to show you in just a second. Look how flat that is. You will not know that there is a closure there. And again, it came out absolutely gorgeous. A nice flat look. And do this with any sew down. I guarantee you'll love it.